Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am lecturer Ayesha Masroor, Department of Zoology, Government Girls Degree College, Safoora, Goth, Block 12, Gulstan, Jouhar, Karachi. Today I am teaching you about the phylum Playtihelminthes from the first year course. These are the general characteristics of phylum Playtihelminthes. Phylum Playtihelminthes belongs to kingdom Animalia. This phylum includes 13,000 species. The organisms are also known as flatworms. These are acoelomates and they include many free living and parasitic life forms. Members of this phylum range in size from a single celled organism to around 2 to 3 feet long. Playtihelminthes have the following important characteristics. They are diploblastic, acoelomate, and bilateral symmetrical. They may be free-living or parasites. The body has a soft covering with or without cilia. Their body is dorsoventrally flanked without any segments and appears like a leaf. They are devoid of the anus and circulatory system, but has a mouth. They respire by a simple diffusion through the body surface. They have an organ system, level of organization. They do not have a digestive tract. The space between the body wall and organs is filled with the connective tissues, parenchyma, which helps in transporting the food material. They are hermaphrodite, means both male and female organs are present in the same body. They reproduce sexually by fusion of gametes and asexually by regeneration, by fusion and regeneration. Fertilization is internal. The life cycle is complicated with one or more larval stages. They possess the quality of regeneration. The flame cells help in excretion and osmoregulation. The nervous system comprises the brain and two longitudinal nerve cords arranged a ladder-like fashion. So, there are some unique characteristics of phylum Playtihelminthes. Some of characteristics of distinguish the organism belonging to the phylum Playtihelminthes. Others are presence of flame cells, ladder-like nervous system, presence of parenchyma in body cavity, and the cell fertilization. Now we are talking about the classification of Playtihelminthes. Playtihelminthes further divided into the three classes. Number 1 is Turbolaria, number 2 Termatoda, and 3 Castoda. First, Turbolaria. These are free-living organisms found mostly in fresh water. The body is dorsoventricle flanked. Hooks and suckers are not present. And the most common example is planaria. Second class is Termatoda. These are mostly parasitic. Hooks and suckers are usually present. And most common example is Fascicola hepatica, which is also commonly known as liver fluke. The third class is Castoda. These are exclusively parasitic. They have hooks and suckers. An example is Tina sodium. So dear students, these are the general characteristics of the phylum Platyhelminthes with their classes. Hope you understand. Take care. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.